So Derek and I had kind of a wild idea. We thought we would show off the recording the multiple takeoff, or people doing takeoffs at the same time on a set of plans. So I set this job up. I brought in everything in the schedule, and we just kind of started on it. And you can see Derek's working on. You can see his little tag there, Derek, and mine is just Click. I don't know why it doesn't show my name, but anyway, so I'm really excited about this because a lot of people says that they have multiple or simultaneous estimators or takeoffs at the same time, and that ZZ doesn't. And actually the ZZ's is a lot better from what I've seen. So I wanted to show this to you. We got to laughing and just clucking like old ladies, I think. So I cut the recording of it off. There was just too much fun going on. Anyway, so we're recording this and just basically doing some counts at the same time. When I was recording, now I tried to stay in the same area as he did most of the time. There were times where I could zoom in, and then he'd be working on another side of the plans, part of the plans, and he could see everything he's working on, and I could see everything I'm working on. But for the sake of video, we kind of wanted to show that, hey, two people are working on this at the same time. Okay, so you'll see some clips here and there. It's where I went off script, or I went and started doing something in a smaller area, or we just we're just having so much fun. It's kind of addicting to do this, and it's really nice having somebody to do it with. Hey, can you take the trees, or can you take the area takeoffs while I do the plant counts, or you count the sprinklers, I'll count the valves, or something like that. So basically, I don't think there's a limit of how many people could do this at the same time. You'd have to have so many licenses to do it. If you were a viewer, you wouldn't be able to obviously take off things. So as we're doing this, you can notice on the right hand side, it's calculating the plants, the plant backfill, the landscape hours, the plant tabs, everything that I've built into this assembly is there. And it's really nice, and towards the end of the video you're going to see some of the reports that came from this. So I built all these. This legend that you see, this shrub schedule, is actually an import from AI, and then I just assigned, I don't call them assemblies, but groups of items to each one, and I adjust them as I went for plant backfill, or how many plant tabs I get, and how many hours, or what the labor factor is. By the way, I like that labor factor. If you have any questions, there's a schedule we're going to put on ZZ Takeoff, where if you want, you can book a half-hour of free training or questions or whatever it is you want. And I'll show you how I did mine and help you bring in your items to this. Is it a full estimating package? It's awfully close, guys. It is without it being it is, if that makes sense. You can make it work. It's really wonderful, and you can see if you go to the community tab, they are updating things constantly. Oh, okay, we're back into the reports. I'll stop yammering here because I don't want to miss any of this. Okay, you can see we have some of the takeoffs and quantities of all the items per takeoff item, but also we can group together all of the certain type of plants or plant tabs. You can see this is a total from it. And while I was doing this, Derek went and started counting shrubs again, and you'll see in a little bit that some of the reports are actually changing while he's counting. So he's counting plants, and I could be here adjusting the prices or anything like that. Here, I think this is where you might see it. Keep an eye on the quantities. I'll let you know. But anyway, so it could total up your plant material. It can tell you how many hours you have. You can make plant material lists at this point. And I'm saying this because I'm a landscape estimator, golf course or parks or whatever. This is pretty cool. And the takeoff is so stinking fluid. compared to some of the other softwares. And you can drag and drop. You saw the other videos where you can drag and drop pages into pages, and you can drag and drop items or takeoff properties into folders. And oh, watch the video. See the numbers change? Derek's over there counting on the home screen while I'm sitting here goofing off and looking at the reports. I'm letting him do all the work, by the way. Yeah, that'll keep him going. Anyways, so this has just been a lot of fun to put together, and I wanted to share it with you guys. It is very, very addicting, and it's very fluid, very cool. And I mean, we're talking $50 a month at this point in July of 2025. There is a new update coming out that is going to have even more features. It's just amazing. Working with these guys and seeing what they're up to. It's like the early days of Plan Swift without selling it, type of thing. So you can see we have all the hours, or we had all the hours there. We have all the materials for each item, what the costs are, cost totals. Getting pretty darn good, guys. Again, if you want some help, or if you want a demo, or if you want to see how I did my stuff, just book a training. It's going to be on our social media, and I'm pretty sure it'll be on our website soon, but half hour, happy. I would just love to get to know you, show you what I've done, and show how it compares to if you've been building in Plan Swift or any of that stuff. Okay, so I have really yammered on for 6.5, 7 minutes, and I appreciate you guys sticking with me. We got another minute or so. If you want to tune out, I can sing, a lullaby or something like that for you. But anyways, so look at these reports. I mean, just look at that. And this is just some plant material. It's not even the soil prep I've built. I've built big trees. It's just really a cool thing. I think you can probably tell I'm excited about it. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'm just going to stop talking and let the video play out, and hopefully I'll catch you on the next one, or in a meeting, or in a training or something like that. Okay, have a wonderful day.